Inside the box you'll find the main camera, a microSD memory card, 12-volt power adapter cable, GPS receiver, rear-facing camera, extension cable for rear camera. First step is to open the side latch on the main camera, remove microSD card from its case, insert microSD card into main camera, and close protective cover. Remove the protective paper from the adhesive film on the main camera. Remove protective lens cover from main camera. Attach main camera to windshield. Remove protective adhesive from rear camera. Attach rear camera to rear windshield. Using the extension video cable for the rear camera, connect it to the cable coming from rear camera. Conceal extension cable for rear camera along headliner. Do this until the cable is concealed all the way to the front of the cabin where the main camera is located. Remove adhesive film from GPS module. Attach GPS module to front windshield. Connect GPS receiver to center plug on main camera. Connect rear camera to lower plug on main camera. Connect 12-volt power to upper connector on main camera. Conceal cables coming from main camera. Connect 12-volt cigarette lighter adapter. Wait for main camera to power up, which is indicated by blinking, and once the blue light is solid, the camera is recording.